Hello students, welcome back. We were doing chapter 1. There were 4 contents in this chapter. We have already done 2, that is size and location. Let's continue with the remaining 2. Now we will do our neighboring countries and India and the world. Our neighbors. India shares its boundary with 7 countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. India shares maximum boundary with Bangladesh, that is nearly 4,096 km, and minimum with Afghanistan, that is only 80 km. Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar separates Sri Lanka from India. Sri Lanka and Maldives are two island countries which are situated to the south of India. Have a look at our neighboring countries. Pakistan and Afghanistan lies to our northwest, China and Nepal in north, Bhutan, Bangladesh in northeast, Myanmar in east. Sri Lanka and Maldives lies to the south of India. Now, see, the neighboring countries share boundaries with our states. Pakistan with Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Afghanistan with only Jammu and Kashmir. China with Himachal, Uttarakhand, Ladakh, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Myanmar with northeastern states. Bangladesh with West Bengal, Meghalaya and Tripura, and Nepal with Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Sikkim. Bhutan with West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Now let's move to the next topic, that is India and the world. India has central location on the map of world. It is southward extension of Asian continent. It lies between Eastern and Western Asia. It connects Eastern Asian countries with Europe in the west. Deccan Plateau protrudes in Indian Ocean up to 1600 km and help in dividing Indian Ocean into Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal and help in establishing trade with West Asian countries, Africa, industrially rich Europe, and from the west coast, and Southeast and East Asia from East Coast. India has longest coastline. That's why Indian Ocean is named after India, because no other country shares such a long coastline with India. Have a look at map of world regarding the international highway of trade and commerce. See, India is situated above Indian Ocean. Three main ports are shown in this map: Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Two routes are marked with bold line, it is air route, and with dotted line, this is sea route. It shows that through sea route, India is connected with Western Asia, Eastern Asia, parts of Africa, and East Asia. This is the map of Suez Canal. Have a look. Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea are connected through Suez Canal. This is man-made canal. It was constructed in 1869 and it has reduced the distance from India to Europe by 7,000 kilometers. So it helps in reducing time and promoting trade. It plays an important role in trade relations. Now, India's relation with the other countries of the world have been contributed through the ages. But her relationship through land routes are much older than the sea routes. Earlier, man was afraid of the sea. The merchants traveled through passes. Passes are the natural gap between mountains. Through these routes, number of commodities were exchanged such as muslin, silk, spices, fine quality of cotton and many other things. The ideas of Ramayana, stories of Panchtantra, Ved, Upanishad, Puran, the decimal system, the numeral system reach to other parts of the world. The Greek sculpture, the domes, the minarets can be seen in many parts of our country. It shows that along with commodities, culture and architecture are also exchanged. Now, let's come to last topic, that is Indian subcontinent. Here is the list of countries which constitute Indian subcontinent. Subcontinent is a unique geographical unit which stands separately from rest of the continent and physical barriers make it unique. Himalayas act as a boundary in the north, Arabian Sea in the west, and Bay of Bengal in the east. India at the center, Pakistan in northwest, Nepal, Bhutan in north, Bangladesh in east, and Sri Lanka together are known as Indian subcontinent. Now, I hope all of you are able to understand the chapter. From this chapter, you came to know about location of India, size of India, who are our neighboring countries, and how location at the head of Indian Ocean helped India in promoting trade and developing close trade relationship with maximum countries of the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.